Did you know there is a small object no larger than the palm of your hand, yet it quietly becomes part of your daily life? That object is the iPhone. Behind its sleek appearance lies an enormous manufacturing network involving mines, factories, clean rooms, and advanced robotics. Today we will uncover the complete journey of how an iPhone is made. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. Since its launch in 2007, the iPhone has become one of the most influential consumer products ever created. Combining powerful hardware, advanced software, and premium design, it has reshaped the smartphone industry. Before reaching customers, every iPhone must pass numerous inspections to meet Apple's demanding standards. The journey begins at bauxite mines, where aluminum-rich ore is extracted from the earth. After crushing and purification, the material is processed into alumina and then transformed into pure aluminum using powerful electric currents. This lightweight metal becomes the foundation of the iPhone structure. The aluminum is then shaped into iPhone frames using advanced CNC machines. High-speed cutting tools carve every curve, opening, and mounting point with incredible precision. Constant cooling systems help maintain accuracy, producing frames that are both lightweight and exceptionally strong. Next comes the processor, the brain of the iPhone. Inside ultra-clean facilities, silicon wafers are transformed into powerful chips through advanced photolithography technology. Billions of microscopic transistors are built layer by layer, creating a processor capable of handling everything from photography and gaming to artificial intelligence. After production, every chip undergoes strict testing before moving to assembly. The battery is produced using thin layers of aluminum, copper, lithium compounds, and graphite. These materials are assembled, compressed, and filled with electrolyte solutions under carefully controlled conditions. Each battery then undergoes extensive safety and performance testing before being approved for use. Once all components are ready, robots begin the assembly process. The processor, display, battery, cameras, and other components are installed inside the aluminum frame with remarkable precision. Every connection is checked to ensure the device functions perfectly before moving to the next stage. Before leaving the factory, every iPhone faces rigorous quality inspections. Automated systems test the display, cameras, speakers, processing performance, and wireless connectivity. The devices also undergo drop, water, and dust resistance testing to ensure long-term reliability. At the same time, protective phone cases are manufactured using materials such as TPU, silicone, and polycarbonate. Injection molding machines create the basic shape, while finishing processes add smooth edges, colors, and protective coatings that improve durability and appearance. From bauxite mines and semiconductor factories to robotic assembly lines and quality control laboratories, every iPhone undergoes an extraordinary manufacturing journey. Behind its simple appearance lies a world of precision engineering, advanced technology, and countless hours of work, all coming together to create one of the most recognizable products on Earth.